Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you simple and exciting tricks on how to add binary numbers. Please like and share our page and videos on Facebook, follow and like Learnifik on Instagram, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. After you subscribe on YouTube, click on the bell icon to get notifications when new videos are uploaded for you. Let's start with this example. 1 plus 1 in binary gives us what? Let's go over some basic rules you need to know when adding in binary. 1 plus 1 in binary equals 0, remainder 1. The remainder, which is 1, will be carried over to the next column. So 1 plus 1 gives 1, 0. Remember, in the binary number system, you can only represent numbers with the digits 0 and 1. In decimal, 1 plus 1 equals 2. But when adding in binary, you can't write 2 because 2 is not a binary number representation. Another example, what about 1 plus 1 plus 1? The result would be 1, remainder 1, which you carry over to the next column. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives 1, 1. These are essential rules you need to know when carrying out additions in binary. Let's do another example. We are going to add these numbers column by column from right to left. In the first column, we have 1 plus 1, which is 0, remainder 1. So write down 0, then you carry over 1 to the second column. In the second column, we have 0 plus 0, not forgetting the 1 which you carried over. This gives us 1. In the third column, we have 1 plus 0, which gives 1. In the fourth column, you have 1 plus 1, which gives 0, remainder 1. Since there is no additional number to add the remainder to, you write down 1. Now let's check if our final answer is correct. Each column represents a place value in the binary place value chart as shown on the screen. 1 has a decimal equivalent of 1. 1 has a decimal equivalent of 4. 1 has a decimal equivalent of 8. 1, 1, 0, 1 has a decimal equivalent of 13, which is 1 plus 4 plus 8. 1, 0, 0, 1 has a decimal equivalent of 9, which is 8 plus 1. So 13 plus 9 is 22. So let's check if our final answer of the addition of 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 gives us 22. So the answer is correct. Let's do another example together. In the first column, we have 0 plus 1, which gives you 1. In the second column, you have 0 plus 1, which gives 1. In column 3, you have 1 plus 0, which gives 1. In column 4, you have 0 plus 0, which gives 0. In the fifth column, you have 1 plus 1, which gives 0, remainder 1, which you carry over to the sixth column. For the sixth column, we have 1 plus 1 plus the remainder 1. When you add the numbers, it gives 1, remainder 1. Write down 1 and take the remainder to the seventh column. In the seventh column, since there is nothing to add, write down the remainder 1. Now let's check if the answer is correct. In the first number we added, it has a decimal equivalent of 52. In the second number we added, it has a decimal equivalent of 51. So 52 plus 51 gives 103. So our final answer is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and follow Learnifik on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.